Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to save your Instagram photos and videos to your camera roll on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to save your Instagram videos and photos to your camera roll on your iPhone, first open up your Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram app on your iPhone, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen there is the person or profile icon available for us. Simply tap on that person or profile icon first, and after that you will be on the profile section of your Instagram account, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon over there. Simply tap on that three lined icon and a bunch of these options will appear, where on the top of the list you can see there is the settings and privacy option available for us. Simply tap on that settings and privacy, and over here on the settings and privacy section of your Instagram account, scroll down a little bit until you can find the archiving and downloading option over here, which is just above the accessibility, guys. In order to save your Instagram photos and videos on your gallery on your iPhone, first tap on that archiving and downloading, and over here, guys, you can see the save original photos option available for us on the bottom side category of the saving to camera roll, which says automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. Simply tap on that, guys, and when the toggle icon turns blue, your Instagram photos and videos taken from your Instagram's feed camera will automatically start to save on your Instagram, on your gallery, on your phone's gallery. And guys, this is how you save your Instagram photos and videos to your phone gallery on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.